This piece of shit don't get 92, bro. She only gets 91.
The Nom Nom 91.
Hell yeah. Getting our beautiful day started off with a quick rip in the Hawkeye. I'm actually gonna leave this car at Josh's for fun. I'll show you guys why here in a second. It's probably Josh's. Watch him buy a 9. I can't picture him buying a yellow 9 though. Whose is this? Is this yours?
What's this? Max.
Are you tinting it or what?
Yeah.
Oh.
Full removal. And actually we're doing the same stuff we're doing here.
Dude, I like it.
Yeah.
What's up, Chandler?
What's up?
How's it going, bro?
Working on a Sunday.
Yes, sir. Always.
Yep, gotta be grinding.
This thing is kind of cool.
You got a WK in it.
Is it built? Pop the hood real quick. I see a manifold.
The Evo King is here
Ooh.
to investigate.
It's got a Garrett on it. Looks like a 35R. She makes some jam, I would say. It's a solid 5 to 600 wheel belt. I like it.
I guess he just got done like fixing some stuff on it, getting it tuned or something. I'm not entirely sure, but
Yeah.
yeah.
Interesting. I'm guessing it's an 8. I don't know if they made a yellow 9.
I was gonna say, I assume this color is kind of rare.
I've never seen a yellow 9 in my
Is
life.
that 8 with a 9
Yeah.
bumper?
Yeah, I would say so. Sick.
So I wonder if it's aftermarket or OEM.
Well, that's a OEM 9 bumper, but yeah, that color's OEM. Though. Well, is she all finished up?
Yep.
Hey, I've missed this thing.
Yeah.
Damn.
Again, sorry.
Oh, you're good. That looks so funny without the wing.
It
That looks
does.
ugly.
I keep getting people, they'll see it and, dude, it looks so much better without the wing. I'm like,
What?
yeah.
Hell nah. That shit's whack without the wing.
Yeah, it looks kind of weird without the
So being that we've had literally no space for a while up until now, my boy Bader's been very, very kind, and he has let me use his outdoor storage, which of course I don't like cars being outside, but outdoor storage is better than no storage at all. So this is where a few of my cars have been. We have our final edition, the totaled Evo X sitting here, and unfortunately our Evo IX has been sitting outside as well. But thankfully, now that we have the space, I'm gonna go ahead and get this car out of here. I'll get this thing out of here one day, but this car is finally coming back to the shop, and I might clean it up a little bit today and go cruise it. I do need to realign it. I did have to take some alignment hardware off this car for our previous build, the Hyper Blue 8. But yeah, if you guys have been wondering, which I know you have been, because you guys never see this thing anymore, this is where it's been. Big, massive thank you to Bader for letting me store cars here. Really sucks that this thing had to sit outside, but I didn't want to sell it. So this is where she ended up sleeping for a couple months. We got to push this clunker out of the way. We got a VA STI over there we got to get out of the way, and then we can go ahead and get the 9 out of here. And also the Camo 10's finally coming home as well. It's been chilling at the tent shop at Chandler's place, and we're finally bringing that home as well. Come on, Jared, how you live? What a fucking flip. Come on, Jared.
He's like, yeah, you just hold it there.
No, I was done. I had just got done doing a pull with a Integra, and then I went to shift, and I was stuck.
Dude, I just don't rip on it that much, honestly.
He just gets done telling us a racing story, and I don't rip on it that much.
I gotta start practicing for when I'm a vlogger. Dude, oh, that's gonna be the funniest clip of me holding the camera like this. I probably look like such a dumbass.
I mean, it matches you perfectly.
Is that E?
Nope, Nom 91. This bitch
That's better than E.
You want to drive this or the 10?
The 10. I won't drive this. This clutches a little bit. It's a little sus. Did you see the video when that thing caught on fire? That was the start of all the
that was the initial thing where it's like you're fucking.
No, bro, the initial thing was the milk jug flying out of the back of the truck and hitting the 8, the black 8. Yeah, it like crushed it a little, launched it out. Smoky.
fresh tint, and I got my 9 back. Oh, this clutch is ass. Well, we made it back to the shop. This thing did die in traffic, and I had to jump out, connect the jump pack again in the middle of traffic and fire it up. I swear, the worst mod you can ever do on any car in the world, at least in my experience, is this damn thing right here. Mini batteries are such a pain in the ass for me. They always have been. Maybe you guys have better luck with them, but I definitely don't. I'm gonna go ahead and give this thing a quick bath. Engine bay, exterior, everything. It is absolutely filthy. It has been sitting at Josh's for, I don't even know how long. Pretty much since we got it, I feel like it's been sitting outside. So pretty disappointing, but hopefully the paint is still in somewhat decent condition. I know all this carbon was already pretty messed up on the car when we got it. Carbon there, that's very destroyed. For such low miles, this thing is kind of in rough shape. But one day, I'm not sure when, I'm not gonna make any promises because we have so many other projects, but one day this thing is gonna get a full makeover and it's gonna be one of the sickest Evos yet. It's gonna stay electric blue for sure because electric blue is the best. I'm gonna show you guys something I just recently started doing. It's a little tip to help with washing cars faster. Hose it down, rinse it down like you guys saw. Foam cannon, this is the foam on here right now from the foam cannon. We're gonna let that sit for about 3 minutes and then we're gonna rinse that off. And then we have a second foam cannon. And in the secondary foam cannon, we have the car shampoo, okay? So instead of sitting there dipping your mitt in the bucket, you just spray the soap on the car with the foam cannon. Now, if your car is polished, I would highly recommend still using a bucket to rinse off the dirt off of the mitt. But instead of doing like the 2-bucket method, you're just using 1 bucket for rinse, and then the soap is getting on the car via the second foam cannon. Hopefully that makes sense. It makes it go a lot faster, I've noticed. First time ever having the 52,000 mile 9 up in the air. Let's see how she looks underneath. I know I said earlier it's kind of clapped. I shouldn't have said that. I probably offended the car because it's really not that bad. The only thing that's clapped on it is the body kit, which is kind of a classic kit. Still undecided if we're gonna keep it or not. It's the Ings +1 kit. So, let's see here. Quite oily up in this region. Not terrible. A little bit of oil on the T-case. This thing does have a lot of nice parts on it, if I'm being completely honest with myself. STM downpipe, it looks like. Not a speck of rust, which is pretty sweet. There's a little bit of rust back here, like on the axles and whatnot, but the body, like chassis-wise, Usually I feel like they start rusting right up in here. This thing is clean, 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 clean. I want to pressure wash it. I'm just gonna go ahead and set the toe on, or the alignment on this wheel the same as the other wheel. And just so we can drive the car. To drive this thing, we need to fix that. We need to put a full-size battery back in it, and this clutch is whack as well. I can still drive it with the clutch, but it's pretty shitty. My favorite part of this car, look at these Brembos. Those ain't no factory Brembos. Those are massive, massive Brembos. Now I'm sure that's not perfect, but it is close enough. It visually checks out, unlike before, it was whack. Good enough for a ripper. I want to actually start driving this car. I feel like I've said that before, but I mean it this time. I need to get the utensils to do a battery relocation to the trunk. It's always the best move on the CT9s. And what else? I think that's about it for now. Clutch drive like ass. It slips so bad on this car. Oh man, it's bad. This thing is gonna rip though. FP Black, built Busher 2-liter. It's got cams, it's got an entire fuel system. It literally just needs to be tuned. And I could almost bet this is gonna make high fives, maybe touch sixes. I don't know. If you have an FP Black on your 4G, let me know what it makes, because I've never ran an FP Black on a 4G before. I'm excited for this car though. When we do get around to building it, it is gonna be sick. Does need a lot of love. This is one of my favorite spots to come. Such a sick area. So much old school parts on this car. The wheels, the kit, the mirrors, the Evo 8 wing, which is much better than the Evo 9 wing. It's gonna be a fun car. I'm gonna wrap up today's video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stoked to have this 9 back out. Or back, I guess I should say back in the shop and not out in the weather. They don't deserve to sit outside. Peace out, homies. I will see you guys in the next one.